Oh, how long do you figure before I have to close the door to Miss Yelly, Ranting Roo? If she starts ranting while I'm sitting here, I will not bring her. I will not go sit over there. Too difficult. This is where the macaws hang out. The ground dwellers and the tree dwellers. You hang out with Kiwi, eh? You like Kiwi? Oh, I was sick. I still feel sick, but I'm getting better. I couldn't even stand. My stomach was so sore. But I didn't throw up or anything, so that's good. But just lots of painful stomach. It's getting better. There's Coco. Who's on the show today? We've got Coco, Newman, Duncan, Kiwi. I don't know what kind. I don't know if this is kind of. I don't know what kind of flu it was, but maybe tomorrow I'll be feeling better. The only thing that helped me was like putting a heating pad on my stomach. You were weak too? Oh, really, Melissa? Yeah, it was bad. I was weak. I slept. I was in bed all day long yesterday. My poor birds. What'd they get? They got just a little bit out in the morning. And then a little bit in the afternoon. So I just went and felt guilty in bed the whole time. They were yelling at me the whole time. I just closed the door. The entire New York State had it. Florida is freezing. Oh boy. I've just been listening to Rue for the last 2 hours, so excuse me while I close the door. I can't handle it anymore. She was quiet for a minute. No screaming, okay? Oh. Get the bird sitter? No, I don't like to ask people for. I could have, but Brad came home and did dishes. What happened? Yeah. I was even taking Tylenol for my stomach pain and everything. Wasn't touching it. I've never had that kind of flu before. I didn't throw up or anything though. She does usually do better if she can see me, but I don't feel like sitting over there today. We haven't had too much shenanigans because I haven't been well. Right? We've just been surviving here. Yeah, it was a weird flu. Oh, you didn't vomit either? Okay, well, someone brought it over to Vancouver then. Probably that stupid store. And I swear every time I go to that grocery store, I get sick. That's why everyone wears a mask in there. I'm going to start wearing a mask in there too. How am I feeling? Getting better. Getting better, right? Oakley? That's the thing, having pets. I even felt bad for Izzy yesterday. I was like in the bed, too weak. Right, Kiwi? Oakley's a big mouth. No, Newman. Oh, no. Here. You leave Duncan alone. You can hang out with Duncan, but leave her alone. Oh, oh. No, he's gonna dump her food. Coco's ready to go over there and give him a hack. I'm gonna have to get a towel real soon. Coco, you stay away from Newman. You play with Oakley. Better get out of there, Newman. She means business. Yours wouldn't go away? Oh. These two have wicked fights. Someone's toe always gets cut. Newman always ends up with a sore toe. He can't win against Coco. What are you doing, Oakley? Who did they who had is anyone here someone there's a couple of people that have red fronted macaw. If you're in the chat, let me know. Yeah, Gina, it was no fun. This is the sickest year I've had. Yes, that's where I give him his food because he doesn't want to. He's been out. He's been out for a couple hours and he doesn't really have a spot. Oh, condo's on time. Someone asked something. You guys were talking about me on Marsh's channel? What did you say? The wildfires. Kimber's in Malibu. Oh, really, Kim? The doctor says he hasn't seen anything like it. Below zero weather. So Kimber, who comes in our chat all the time, I'm not sure if he was this chatty. I'll have to find out. If I feel better, we're going to go to the trailer this weekend. And then the bird sitter will tell me what she thinks. Yeah, I got sick in California. Yeah, she's right in Malibu, Lisa. Be interesting to see how he is compared. I feel like he's getting stronger, actually. He's been walking around a lot. Is all of Malibu on fire? Kimber lives in a trailer in Malibu, so she'll be so upset if it burns down. She'd have to move. She's a personal assistant to one of the housewives of, I don't know, was it one of the housewives? I don't know anything. I actually with Kimber, I've looked, I've looked through all my emails, and I don't have her email address, so I can't find anything. She never. We did get the electrical stuff fixed. That's why he might go away. He is walking everywhere. Yes, my bird. He only eats pellets. He's really good. And Brad's mom's cousin lives in Pacific Palisades, and she said her house is gone. Well, this is like secondhand info from a 90-year-old, so I don't know. Just recently, Jordan, or another fire? Fire went into the ocean. I started at 5 after 5. Oh, really? Kondo says that after the fires, um, vegetation is scorched and it won't be capable of holding up the cliffs. Next big rain. Pacific Palisades is gone, I guess. Yeah, that's where she lives. Brad's mom's cousin. So I guess her house is gone. He's getting stronger. I think he is. Do you want to sit with me, or are you just being barky? Are you being barky? Are you sitting with Kiwi? I gave him his toys, but he won't play with it. He wants to play with Kiwi's scraps. He needs a little play area. It's all gone. Pacific Palisades, it's all gone. Oh, it's no good. I was living in Redondo, and the 91 fires took out the vegetation. Rock and mudslides ensued, and I was living with a girl from Pacific Palisades. She was renting a room in a house that burnt down. Mixed media girl had to evacuate? Who's that? Do you smell the smoke, Lisa? Yeah, he broke Coco's buttons. I gotta order a whole new bag of buttons. How's Brad's mom? Brad's mom is fine. She doesn't live there. It's just her friend. Oh no, Jordan. So Jordan's sister, everything's gone. So Jordan here, his sister lives there, and everything's burnt down. So is she flying? Where is she going? Does she have more family out there? Buttons, the cockatoo's mother had to evacuate. Okay, do you want to come sit in my lap, you little monkey? Watch him step up. He's so good. You better step up good. You make a liar out of me. Oh, good boy. Come on. Here. There we go. He doesn't like the hands. Oh, she posts resin art videos. That resin stuff's dangerous. Oh, bad winds there too. Your cousins are all right? 5 fires? Well, they said they're short. They're not getting rain like they usually do. But Button's mom, did you say she has to evacuate? Oh my gosh, can you imagine evacuating with birds? I have enough stuff. Hi. 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 Yes, he has a long macaw tail. Hey, Oakley. Hey, Oakley. Buttons and Mum are amazing. Oh, that's good. Oh, Button's mom's mom. Okay, Grandma. Button's grandma. Hi. He was snapping those buttons. He's really got a strong beak, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, you do. Thanks, Helen. See, Coco's just being irritated. I don't know what. How's everyone else? You took a beating in the Pokemon raid. What do you think, Oakley? Wouldn't it be fun to do something fun, huh? Hey, Oakley, something fun. Where's Ruth? Shh. Don't say don't say her name. She'll hear me and then she'll start yelling. She's in the bird room. She's more than welcome out here, but she just yells, yells, yells. Coco was a little concerned when Oakley was snapping buttons. Your bird's hormonal? Does Oakley like music? I don't know. He doesn't really. I don't know what he likes. He just likes yelling at me and eating. That's pretty much. And sitting on my lap so far. Eh? Right, Oak? He likes yelling, complaining, eating, and sitting on my lap. Waiting. Did you guys? Oh, if you're not in my Patreon, you haven't seen my socks, the Coco socks. You guys are gonna be so impressed. Wait till you see the Coco socks. They're adorable. They're being manufactured right now. Did you see them in my Patreon? Oakley doesn't dance. He's what is it? He's a tap dancer. Right? He taps with his foot. You saw them? What'd you think, Lisa? The lady who designed them for me, she was so excited. So we're deciding whose socks would be next. If the Coco socks sell, if I sell out, who would be next? Condo's visiting you after Easter? Yelling and eating, not exactly violating male stereotypes. This is just my first run. All I got is the medium-sized socks. For me to invest in like all the sizes and stuff, just not possible. You're still recovering from the flu, Lori? Like stomach flu or like head flu and achy? As soon as the socks arrive, I'll sell them. Yeah, my stomach is still sore, but it's getting better. Pink with all the birds. It's kind of hard to do all the birds because you're only allowed 5 colors to work with, right? So it'd be hard to do 5 colors with all the birds. My symptoms were weakness, dizziness, and a super painful stomach. Like so painful. Like I thought I was having like appendicitis. Like no matter what I took, the pain. Like I took Tylenol, that didn't work, and then I took Tylenol with codeine, and that didn't work. I don't know. I don't think it was norovirus. Just to see some socks. If you email me, I'll send you a picture. I'll send you a picture, Marsha. You don't have to join. You had surgery on your foot. So whose socks would you think next? The sock designer, she said she kind of likes Rue. I was thinking Rue, but I don't know if 100 people will buy. Yes, I was exhausted. I was in bed all day, like all day. I slept all day. I would get up to have a drink of water. I did the birds, like I could only handle the birds for like 15 minutes yesterday morning. Just fed them and disappeared. And then closed the door in the bedroom, laid there with a heating pad on my stomach all day. It's still sore when I press it. Oh. Your stomach can't handle codeine? I can't handle whatchamacallit? Norovirus. Oh, your mom got you umbrella cockatoo socks? I can't handle codeine. The right side. Brad said that I'd be doubled over in pain if it was um Rue and Coco socks. Oh, Mabe, what about you? You're close to the fires. Kimber's in the fire. She's at Malibu. She's got pets, but she's got she's a personal assistant for one of the housewives of somewhere, one of the shows down there. So I think she's got. Oh, I didn't eat too many beets. No. Rue, all the birds deserve. Yeah, Rue deserves to be featured. All the birds deserve to be featured, but it's what sells, right? Hello. You can't take the world by storm yet, Oakley. You're the lowest guy on the totem pole. So you can't be Socks next. That up to 21/3 of the flu was actually food poisoning. I thought that most of it was norovirus. Yeah, I'm not vomiting or anything. Oakley needs a better agent. Did you hear that, Oakley? No, Oakley, you don't get featured on anything. You're already starting to take over the page. Okay? Yeah, I ate halibut, and Brad was okay. I had a sore stomach before I ate though. What are we gonna do about Oakley, huh? Do you need socks? Yeah, cookie socks, but I don't know. You don't get out much? I swear it's my stupid grocery store. Every time I go to the grocery store, I get sick. I'm gonna do that where they shop for your food and then you just go pick it up. Oakley isn't ready for his close up. The page should be called Oakley Roo. Oakley Too, eh? Coco and Oakley. She'd be pushing for the cookie socks. I don't know if I'd do cookie socks. He's gone. Unless they're really cute. I don't know. We have to see what I'd have to put a vote out there. Oh, really, Burb Love? What are they saying? I brought in all sorts of new stuff. You and her were gonna get married. I just gotta make the new mixes. You guys remember when we were talking about mixes? I got one that's called, I just got to add it to the site. It's called Great Moves, and it's all vegetables that have calcium in it. Then I have Great Moves. People like those vegetables that are like people like vegetables that are like a tonic. You know what I mean? Like this is for feathers. This is for heart. Like the Happy Heart mix is popular. Pretty feathers is no pretty. What do I call it? I don't even remember. But the next one is Great Moves. I'm gonna do a New Orleans mix. I did 3 the other day. You think I could be onto something? The stupid store. I call Elaine. It's stupid store. You know, superstore. It's the I call it stupid store. I hate it. It's just packed all the time. Packed. I remember there was a dog treat company that they had a bunch of dog treats that were for different things like arthritis. Oh yeah, that's the other one. Um, oh, Great Moves is for arthritis. Oh, what's the other one? Oakley, what was the other names? Okay, now I'm stuck. I'm gonna have to go down and see what my mixes are. Burb Love, you started something. Oakley, can you just get down for a minute? I want to go downstairs for a second, okay? Hold on. I know, it's a nice warm lap, and it really sucks. Back. I have it all on paper. Yeah. How'd you make out, Oakley, without me? All right, Oakley. Burb Love, hold on. Do you want to come sit with me? There we go. You're okay. I'm always afraid he's going to fall. Oakley's not, yeah, he's always yelling when he doesn't see me. He's like a cockatoo a bit. Okay, let's see what Burb Love said. Poor Jeanette. Okay, so this is the mixes I have. The New Orleans mix is going to be bean, corn, cabbage, radish, okra, celery, peppers, green and red. I want to do a muesli for birds. Bones. Oh yeah, this mix is going to be bones, and it's kale, broccoli, okra, dandelion, sweet peppers, and greens. And then the Great Moves is for arthritis. It's charred okra, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, banana, blueberries, and peas. Hi. I was going to make a Mexican beans and rice, but I sprouted the. You guys know that turtle beans? Remember they sent me like 6 kilograms of turtle beans by accident? Hi. Hi. Um, Fire in Hollywood Hills. Oh my goodness. I think I was there. Let's see what. 5 football fields a minute. I love okra. I remember they used to put that in the Campbell's. Remember Campbell's vegetable soup had okra in it? I know people spend a lot of money on their birds, which is nice. That's always like when I started getting into the being exposed to rescue birds and all that, I was like shocked because I've only ever dealt with spoiled birds with my business. We've been talking about them. And what else? Anyway, so I sprouted all those turtle beans, but they taste disgusting. So I think they have to be cooked. Ani wishes he could eat potato chips. Oakley doesn't like junk food. Oakley and Newman don't like junk food. Hi. Who are you saying hi to? Hi. Yeah, people do spend a lot of money on a lot of things. Oh, and I got good news today. I got good news today. I had a meeting with my Canada Post. You know, Canada Post was on strike. Well, they want to keep people's business, so they're renegotiating contracts. So I'm going to find out next week whether they can do way better prices for me. And if so, I can offer free shipping to the Canadians. Like, it's ridiculous. If I send a parcel to Toronto through Canada Post, it's $22. If I send it through the discount shippers, it's $8. So I told them, I said, I'm going to switch permanently and get rid of all, and just do them. And then they're renegotiating, so we'll see. I just feel every time they are off strike. It's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous that, and then I said, why didn't because I had another, like, you have people that are assigned to your accounts, and I had this lady, Chris, signed to my account, and every time I emailed her, she never responded, or whatever. So, they've been renegotiating contracts for 2 years now. But because she was close to retirement, she didn't do anything. So I didn't have a good guy. But now she's retired, so she's gonna work. She didn't have. I don't have to deal with it. I don't like that condo. Canada will not become 51st state, and I don't think many Canadians like that. You guys wouldn't be able to handle Canadians. Right? Right, Oakley? They couldn't handle us Canadians. No, we're too special. We'd be the elitist of the states. We would definitely think we're better. Newman flew to the counter, so Coco's really mad. You would fight on the Canadian side? I know, Condo. Yeah. You're too nice. What are you doing? Oh, you just pooped on my slipper. What are you doing? Post-traumatic stress disorder. Post-traumatic address stress disorder. But I can't do any shipping discounts for US, only Canadian. Here, why don't you go visit, see what Newman's up to? We'll see what he's doing. He's up to no good right now. Go see his shenanigans. Off he goes. Go see him limping along. Go see what he's doing. Go see what Newman's doing. You guys stop. You're dragging politics into my stream. Don't do it. Don't do it. Right? Right, Oakley? Don't do it. Rat, rat, rat. Rat, rat, rat. Rat, rat. See how cute he is? What are you doing, Coco? Now maybe Oakley, it's better to stay over here. Coco's gonna start chucking stuff off. What did you say, Lenora? I'm missing Lenora's comments. Oh. You're talking about a Canadian health food store. I know, you guys. Didn't you see the video, Condo? Oakley was snapping buttons like he owned Coco's buttons. I didn't like it. I was afraid he was going to swallow them. They're sharp. Hi, April. April's late. Look at him buzzing around. What are you doing? What's Newman? Oh, he spilled my coffee. Now he's drinking coffee. Oh. You think that's pretty fantastic, don't you, Coco? Coffee doesn't taste good, does it, Newman? Brad thinks I'm just the biggest disaster. Little does he know it's the birds. No, Coco, you can't play with the coffee. I always wonder if he's like, if you look at Oakley, like he's wandering around looking for something. I don't know what he's doing. Ruth saying hi. Big coffee everywhere, you guys. That Newman. kind of lost when he does that. I'm always like, what's wrong? What do you want, sweetie? Is he saying step up? Yeah, Oakley, what's he got now? Hanuma's got an apple. That's my apple I was going to eat. See him? He's taking a big chunk of apple. That's a good boy. That's a healthy snack. What video? How's Izzy? What video? The video. Can you remember what the title of the video is? When he was snapping Coco's buttons? I just posted it today, so that one? That's wood. You can't eat that. He won't play either. There is a video. We gotta get it up. It's only on Facebook. Mark does it. Mark uploads them. Now since Coco was able to hang out with Duncan, well, my daughter was here, she's been whining to hang out with Duncan the whole time. Good night, Eileen. Whose cage is outside? Oh, that's another cage. No one's cage. He does wander around looking for stuff. He always wants to go to bed early because he likes his treats, but I don't like him to go to bed too early. That cage's been there all the time. It's just an extra cage. Newman's making you want to go cut me an apple. Have you had those Cosmic Crunch ones? Those Cosmic Crunch? Or Brad says, what are they? Cosmic Crunch or something other. They're so good. I bought them for the birds. Oh, I bought them for the bird mixes. But I kept some for myself. Yeah, it's kind of apple. They're so good. It's okay, honey. The bird mixes I have are like only the best food. Cosmic Crisp. Honeybee are your favorites? I am getting better. Sugar bees are sweeter? Hi. Hi. Honey Crisps. Yes, that's the other one. I can't remember. They're so good. They're expensive. You go buy 6 apples. Where's my receipt? Do I have it? A case of organic. I'll tell you how much a case of organic Cosmic Crisps are. You won't believe the prices of organic food. now. And they my butt birds and my bird customers eat way better than all of us. Let's see, what do we got here? The Honeycrisp. I paid $92 for 12 2-pound bags of Honeycrisp fancy apples. And I put that in bird food. I could have got the cheap apples, but I don't like that. What else is real? I can't believe it. You don't like Rue being bullied and kept away? The door's been open all day. Oakley hasn't been by the door, so she's been more than free to roam out. 2 oranges are $3.13. And you gotta remember too, you guys, when I make videos, I kind of have a narrative. You know what I mean? It's not like Oakley stood at the door all day and wouldn't let Rue out, and he was being mean and Rue was suffering. It was just like, if you look at the clip, it was maybe 10 seconds out of a day in the life of a bird. And I kind of do a narrative, like this is the story, and the story is Oakley being bossy, right? Because it's a cute story, and people will want to watch it. So I pick out little clips to tell that story. But Oakley is not bossy. He's just here yelling and eating treats, right? You're not bossy. So I just want to, like that little clip is not really what's going on in this house. So just remember, guys. Oakley, am I going to let you boss her around? I'm afraid we wouldn't have much. You wouldn't be able to do it. She runs too fast. She can fly circles around your head. That's the one advantage Rue has. She can fly circles around anyone. Is Newman doing the dishes? No, he's playing with knives. You like them? That's what I was going to tell you too. I'm making microgreens. I've been sprouting microgreens to freeze dry. Hi. Oh, those take 3 days. Does anyone sprout for their birds? You missed a lot of stuff, Alex? When Oakley's middle management. Are you middle management, Oakley? No, he's a new hire. He's a new hire. Does Oakley? Yeah, actually, they yell together. They like each other, to be honest. Hi. That's why he hangs out by the door. He wants to see her. He likes Newman and Rue. Not so much Coco. You were in Facebook trouble? No. I know, and so when I went downstairs, he was calling out for me. He does that all day. If he can't see me, he's yelling for me. He still hasn't understood the he still hasn't understood the concept of quiet time. I mean, we can yell in the morning and we can yell in the afternoon and night, but at quiet time we can't yell, right? We need to nap and let Mom get some work done. That's what we got to do, Oakley. He hasn't been trained that. I think he says more words than hi. He's always bringing his beautiful orange wings up. Do you want to be my administrative assistant, Oakley? No, he wants to be the lap bird. Yeah, Kimber, Burb Love. Kimber lives there. Does Duncan fly? Yeah, oh yeah, she flies. When I let her, she gets out during quiet time, and sometimes I have to go run around looking for her. I don't know if you've ever had to look for a bird. It's scary. I know she didn't get herself into trouble because there's nothing really she can get into. But I hate looking for her. Coco and Oakley can sit on my lap together. They're pretty good. I don't have Kimber's email. I don't know what's going on with her. I know she has she works for one of those housewives of California or wherever. But she's got pets. I can't message her. Actually, yeah, maybe I can go see if she's messaged. That's his yell. If she's messaged my page, there should be a record of it. She loves her trailer. She bought it years and years and years ago. Yes, he's my lab assistant. See, he's yelling for Rue. Oh, they're showing horses being rescued? I don't like seeing that stuff. Okay, everyone, we're going to go. Yes, through Facebook, Linda. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Oakley's hungry. You want something to eat? Thanks, everyone. He loves treats time, where he gets his medicine. Okay, good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. Time to clean up after them. It's actually not too bad today. Good night, everyone. Good night, YouTubers. Good night, Facebookers.